begin with the today's New Year first meeting. Let's kick off the New Year 2025 with focusing on setting of goals or strategies for the new year. I'd like to tell you something. We had distributed new terms and rules of IBP to all the registered members. Kindly go through and act accordingly. February 25, we are coming up with a new management team and names will be declared by the founder in the group or the next meeting. Requesting all the visitors kindly wait after the meeting for the visitor orientation program for 10 minutes which will be conducted by the IBP team. Kindly throw all the empty or half-filled water bottles in the dustbin. Please do not leave in the premises. Please throw it in the dustbin. Thank you. This is the open for networking part for the IBP networking meets. We begin our meeting. Thank you members for joining today's meet. I am Nikita Deria, Vice Captain of today's meeting. Indian Business Professionals IBP started in June 2020 from Mumbai and slowly built up its network in all over India as WhatsApp Business Networking Group. Currently, IBP got its presence in Mumbai, Gujarat, Delhi, Kolkata and South India with local business owners. I am sure now everyone got few idea about IBP Group. Now we are going to start our meeting shortly. Today's meeting will be hosted by Captain Sonia Punjabi and Vice Captain me, Nikita Deria. Now I am going to tell you details about the today's meeting. Part 1. Business Success Mantra session. For 5 minutes, the speaker for the day is Vijay Falnikar. His topic is meaningful networking. Members, you can clap for the premium members 60 seconds self-introduction about their registered business category. Our respected guests will get 30 seconds self-introduction opportunity with the registered business category with today's meeting. Part 3 is future presentation of our true premium members for 8 minutes each. Part 4 referral sharing and collaboration sessions. Part 5 high tea sessions will be there in the second floor terrace connected with conference room. Now heading over to Captain Sonia Punjabi to start the meeting.
Thank you, Nikita. Good afternoon, everyone, and a warm welcome to IBP Premium Mumbai 1 chapter. I request all of you to please keep your mobiles on silent and not get distracted with any calls or so. So I am Sonia Punjabi, captain of today's meeting, and as your captain, my role is to host the part of the meeting ensuring that we follow the design program of IBP, which helps our members to grow their business. Now I am handing over to the Vice Captain, Nikita.
Thanks, Sonia. Today, I will be presenting the chapter's performance report later part of the meeting and also educate you with the privileges of a premium member. Now I will introduce IBP management team members. I would request everyone whose name has been announced, please stand on their place. Dr. Malhar Hina, leadership team and news editor IBP. Please clap applause. Chaudhary Bhattacharya, leadership team. Amit Thakkar, IBP News Digital Marketing. Suraj Kapale, IBP News Social Media Team. Suhas Sarkar, Senior Anchor, IBP News. Piyush Kar, Video Journalist, IBP News. Ratnakar Chaudhary, Leadership Team. These guys have a clap. Please close them. Sanjay Mathur, IBP Trainer and Business Editor, IBP News. Sandeep Sarvankar, Project Operator. Jaya Shinde, Tusha Dalvi and Amit Zamra, Guest Relationship. Dushan Dalvi. Also thanks IBP founder Ms. Subrata Chaudhary for joining us today in the meeting and always giving us an excellent support and motivation. Over to Captain.
Thank you, Nikita. Now, members, the self-introduction session. I request everyone to please, when you are introducing yourself, tell your serial number what it is, because we're going to go by line this way. So we are going for the next part of meeting where we give premium members 60 seconds and guests 30 seconds to continue the process of educating all of us on who they are, what category of business they do, how they add value to their clients' lives, and what sort of leads are they looking for from their fellow IBP members. Please present your best self-introduction to update your fellow IBP members about how they should refer you to their clients, friends and relatives. So are you all ready to give a self-introduction session?
Yes.
It's a very cold day, yes?
Yes.
Great.
Yes.
So now we will start from here. We start with Amit. Okay, we start from Veena. Yeah. And please mention your serial number. Requesting everyone to please mention the serial number, so it's going to go by
Can
line
she get
this
the
way.
mic, please?
Yeah.
Is that your mic?
This is our mic. We'll take this.
The line से जाएगा and you just have to mention your serial number. That's it. Then we will
60 seconds.
So they will get 60 seconds. And yeah, please start.
So, good morning, earning members, and Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
In this year 2024, we have completed successfully Ram Mandir Ayodhya. We have done flooring design and granite use Sivakasi. My goal for 2025 is looking to export and in India 14 crore of business of in this year. Our family IBP giving and connecting to each and everyone create maximum amount of business. My give is Mr. Anil Chaudhary, owner of Sri Ram Mega Structure Private Limited, and my ask is Garam Construction Pune. This is Veena Srivastava here from India Stone Work LLP, uniting stone and creating story. Thank you so much. Serial number 40.
My serial number is 23. So, if you want an American style home or resort here, this is absolutely possible in India, as we are in a very interesting way of providing you the dream home that you have always longed for. It is the magic of modular that we use to build your home on the land parcel that you possess or plan to buy. Hi, this is Milind Thakur. We use prefabricated technology. It's fast, modern and very, very desirable. Our USP is the time of construction is 60% faster and extra space due to thinner walls. My gift for today is a marketing consultant from Pune and my ask is land developers in your contacts. I would also like to wish everyone a very happy new year.
Same to you.
Signing off, Milind Thakur from Building Solutions Company. Your home in a modern way.
Good afternoon, everyone. Wish you a very happy new year. Hope the first meeting ends till the last meeting of this year. Yeah, so hi, I'm Dr. Pooja Shah. Without mic on?
Yeah, we can do with you.
Actually.
It's better than
So I'm Dr. Pooja Shah. My serial number is 11 in this. I'm a consulting homeopath and a dietitian. I'm practicing since 12-13 years. My clinic is in Villeparle West near station. We give diet plans. We have various programs in our center, as in we give 1 month diet consultation, 3 months program. We reverse the diseases like thyroid, diabetes, hypertension. with a natural diet. We don't believe in supplements or whey protein or protein supplements and all. It's purely natural homemade food. And we also have the sessions, we also have machines in our center. We have 4 machines, which is ULIPO, EMS and Deep Heat, which helps in the inch loss. Okay, so we give diet plans and along with this with sessions to maintain the healthy body. Yeah, thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. Success Story conceptualized and designed Pestonji's outlets at the Western Express Highway and Warsaw the last month. And my gift is Jayesh Keith from Denmark Resorts from Ratnagiri. And I ask his corporates and business owners and SMEs. Hi, this is Jaya Shinde. I'm a graphic designer by profession, and my USP is conceptualization of creative designs. At this new year, I've just created this gifting kit, which consists 4 things. One is the calendar, the mission diary, and the gratitude thing, and a planner. So please come and visit my stall after the meeting. Thank you so much. Serial number 16.
So good afternoon everyone. यार बहुत चाय नहीं पिलाई सर आप. Good afternoon everyone. And very happy new year to everyone. Have a successful year. So this is Anu Kapoor, serial number 1, top pay. I'm Anu Kapoor and from Chocopal and passionate baker and a chocolatier, where we have created our chocolates called Chocopal, and we have got various flavors in this chocolates, and I think my IVP family have already tasted it, and you can also try it out and have a good testimonials for all these things. So I take great pride in creating premium and exotic flavors in my chocolates and cake. What sets me apart is that all my products are 100% chemical and preservative free, making them not only delicious but also healthy. I am also expert in creating healthy cakes and chocolates that I can customize according to your dietary requirement, including gluten free and vegan and sugar free. And my success story, I would love to share with you. My Christmas goodie, especially my plum cake, was rocking this Christmas. We made it around 30 to 35 kgs of plum cakes all over the 2 months. Wow. So that was rocking. Like South Bombay bhi gaya and the central side bhi gaya, and people have paid 400 VFast for the small cakes. So I'm really very happy with the quality of my product. You can taste it and try it. And my gift is Lakshman Rekha people I can connect you to if anyone wants to connect. And my ask is cafe owners. Thank you, ma'am. हाँ जी
60 seconds है आपके.
अच्छा 60 सेकंड हो गया था, जल्दी हो गया मेरे से.
Good afternoon, my name is Ajay Mandane. I am on the serial number 4. I have a agro resort at village Gore, Taluka Wada, district Palghar, around 100 kilometers from this place. We have a residential accommodations and one-day picnics with a different type of activities like swimming pool, rain dance, tractor ride, Pula card ride. I am looking for the reference of HR of companies, PT groups, school and classes, picnic principals, destination wedding and individuals. Thank you. Once again, Ajay Mandane.
Good afternoon, my name is Malia. My serial number is 21. I am a fashion designer and stylist, and I have a happy new year to everyone. So I am offering a discount and clearance sale today for IVP. So please come visit. There are tops and things like for 500, 700 and 1000 rupees. So it's like a 1000 bucks store today. So please visit. Thank you so much.
My serial number is 9. I am Dr. Anshuman Munaswi. I am a plastic surgeon. Many of you know me. And I am also, we have launched emergency healthcare mobile application called Namaste Health, which instantly connects you to doctors anytime 24/7 and can help you in any emergency or urgency. We have partnered with Western Railways, and that is a feather in our cap, and we are their official emergency partners. So download Namaste Health. That is my request to everybody that you will immensely like it. Some of our people have been helped by that application. And as an offer, last time also I said any type of cosmetology procedures like hydrofacial or Botox fillers or cosmetic surgeries, there is an off of 20% for all the IBP members. Thank you. Namaste Health, please.
Hi, a very happy new year to all of you, and I have a great year ahead. My name is Sanjay Mathur. I am 34 on the list. I'm a marketing, brand and e-commerce consultant. So anybody who wants to grow their businesses, have the right strategies for advertising, branding and growing e-commerce business can connect with me. That's my give, and my ask is any business owners who want to grow their business. Thank you.
सभी को नमस्ते और हैप्पी न्यू ईयर सभी को. माई सेल्फ कमल शिंदे, हेल्थ कंसल्टेंट इन आयुर्वेदिक research based Ayurvedic proprietary medicines. Company's name is Dhanvantari Distributor. Our tagline, feed healthy, natural. धन्वंतरी ने हम कैसे स्वस्थ रह सकते हैं इस पर रिसर्च करके आयुर्वेदिक मेडिसिन बनाई हुई है. हमारे सभी बीमारियों का मूल कारण है हमारा पेट, हमारी पाचन संस्था, डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम, हमारा गट. बिगड़ी हुई पाचन संस्था के कारण कई बीमारियों से हम फाइट करते हैं क्योंकि हमारी इम्यून सिस्टम ही बहुत वीक होती है. इसके ये हमारे कंपनी ने इम्यूरिच बनाया हुआ है और इसे गो पीयूष भी कहते हैं और इसको फूलों का अमृत भी कहा गया है. अभी इसे अगर हम देखेंगे तो इससे कम से कम 80 बीमारियों से हम लड़ सकते हैं क्योंकि ये इतना हमारा इम्यून सिस्टम पावरफुल कर सकता है. इसके साथ ही हमारे माताओं के लिए प्रोटीन रिच ये भी बनाया है, इसमें भी इम्यूरिच है ताकि वो हेल्दी रह सके. ऐसी बहुत सारी यहाँ पे हमारी मेडिसिन है जिससे हम पूरी तरह से हेल्दी रह सकते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच.
Good morning and happy new year. My serial number is 6. Myself V.P. Gupta, scientist BRC, research category research Ayurvedic property medicine. आप सब बिजनेसमैन हैं, सबके पास पैसा बहुत है, बट मैं गारंटी देता हूँ इस पैसे से आप हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस खरीद सकते हैं, हेल्थ नहीं. इस पैसे से आप किसी भी बीमारी की दवा खरीद सकते हैं, डॉक्टर खरीद सकते हैं, हॉस्पिटल खरीद सकते हैं, स्वास्थ्य नहीं. अच्छा स्वास्थ्य चाहिए, ये सही समय है, मेरे पास आइए. आना आपकी जिम्मेदारी, अच्छा स्वास्थ्य देना मेरी जिम्मेदारी. थैंक यू.
Good morning everyone. I'm at serial number 25. This is an advocate Premlata Jain. I am handling the society matters and land matters, all civil matters, helping society end to end right from the doing conveyance and the society till assisting them in the redevelopment of the society. I am also representing the Mahada and BMC. My recent success story, I have cleared 60 years old society conveyance where the people were not having any document. My ask for the day is chairman, secretary, treasurer of all the societies located in your in your locality, and my give I can connect you with the most of the developers. Signing off, Advocate Premlata Ji. Thank you.
Happy New Year to IBP family. My name is Suraj Bakle. I am on 36 on the list. I am the founder of Digital Coyotes. We have more than 3 years of experience and we are into social media marketing. So there are 3 verticals that we are working on: influencer marketing, social media, and even we are running ads. Our recent success story is that we have acquired House of EVR and A-Square services for social media, and I am looking out for architects, real estate and resorts to work with me. My give is all of my clients and friends who we are looking out for. Again, Suraj Bakle from Digital Coyotes signing off. Thank you so much.
हेलो, मेरा नाम संदीप सरवण है. IT सर्विस इंजीनियर हूँ. लैपटॉप, डेस्कटॉप, प्रिंटर सर्विस हेलो, मेरा नाम संदीप सरवनकर है। मैं IT सर्विस इंजीनियर हूँ। लैपटॉप, डेस्कटॉप, प्रिंटर सर्विस करता हूँ, रिपेयर करता हूँ, AMC नेटवर्किंग काम करता हूँ। कोई भी आपका काम नेटवर्किंग रिलेटेड या कंप्यूटर रिलेटेड रहेगा तो IBP मेंबर के लिए स्पेशल डिस्काउंट देके काम करेगा। थैंक यू।
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Architect Vijay Falnikar. At SFA Design, we design renovation of brand shops, showrooms, offices, restaurants, hospitals and educational spaces. From identifying a suitable premise for your business to create a brilliant, efficient place of business which will attract large footfall, we do it all. Last month, our project Kaushalya Hospital in Thane was recognized as the top 10 healthcare projects done in India by Silicon India. From a hospital, little better than a municipal hospital, to a brand with ICCU, NICU, daycare, casualty and special suites. We renovated this to create a new brand. We can introduce you to the medical trustees of Dr. Bhanushali and Dr. Soni of Kaushalya, and please introduce me to specialist doctors in your network who could be medical trustees. We make places that make you proud.
Good afternoon, this is Ratnakar Chaudhary from RB Group of Companies. We are especially into structural audit of cooperative housing society building structures, industrial buildings and commercial buildings. So far we have completed more than 3,000 building structures. I am a civil engineer having more than 39 years of experience. Thank you very much.
Good evening. My name is Shoma. My serial number is 35. My company's name is G1I Collections, and I collect all the artificial jewelries. I have my presentation here today, so I will elaborate on my presentation. My gift for them is Mrs. Neha Sawant, corporate gifter, and my ask is wedding planners and boutique owners. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, happy new year to all. My name is Tushar Dalvi और मेरा serial number 15 है. I am a mutual fund distributor, consultant. Last 19 years का मुझे अच्छा experience है. And मेरा प्रिंसिपल है never use your money. बहुत सारे अभी भी ऐसे लोग हैं जो डरते हैं म्यूचुअल फंड्स में इन्वेस्टमेंट करने के लिए, और बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग जो है वो काफ़ी हाई एक्सपेक्टेशंस रखते हैं और अनरियलिस्टिक उनके एक्सपेक्टेशंस होते हैं. सो मोर देन 1000 म्यूचुअल फंड स्कीम्स है, लेकिन उनमें हर एक की अलग अलग कैटेगरी होती है, तो वो समझाना और उसमें कैसी रिस्क होती है, कैसा एक पोर्टफोलियो बनाना चाहिए, वो मैं हेल्प करता हूँ काफ़ी सारे लोगों को. थैंक यू.
नमस्कार और नव वर्ष की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं सबको. मैं राजकुमार, एस्ट्रोलॉजर और वास्तु कंसल्टेंट. जब आप लोग अपने प्रयास करके अपने पूरे मनोयोग से काम करके यदि सक्सेस नहीं होते हैं, कुछ बाधाएं आती हैं जीवन में किसी भी क्षेत्र में, तो आप हमसे संपर्क कर सकते हैं. मेरा सीरियल नंबर 30 है.
पंडित जी ये साल कैसे रहेगा हम सबके लिए, आप
वो तो बता दो.
बताइए.
एक सेशन
आपको एक्स्ट्रा में टाइम दे रही हूँ इसके लिए सिर्फ.
देखिए 2025 बहुत संघर्षपूर्ण रहेगा पूरे देश के लिए. आप सबको अपना प्रयास करना है, उसी से सक्सेस.
जय हिंद. मेरा नाम संतोष झा है. मैं सत्यप्रकाश गुप्ता जी का सब्स्टिट्यूट हूँ. मेरा कंपनी का नाम PPM लॉजिस्टिक्स है. कैटेगरी पैकर्स एंड मूवर्स का है. हम लोग हाउस होल्ड, ऑफिस, फैक्ट्री का रिलोकेशन करते हैं. कार ट्रांसपोर्ट भी हम लोग स्पेशल कार कैरियर से करते हैं. हमारे पास वेयर हाउसिंग फैसिलिटीज भी हैं. धन्यवाद. संतोष झा, PPM लॉजिस्टिक्स.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. Happy New Year to all and very successful. थोड़ा आप मदद करना, हमारा संघर्ष खत्म हो जाएगा साल का. And I'm Preetisha. My number is 26 and I'm into catering from 22 years.
and I have still extended my things. I have started with my ready-to-eat food packets also, which is a retort packaging, which has no preservatives and no coloring, and we have almost 8 to 10 SKUs. And what I'm looking, my give is Mr. Prithvi Shah from Property Butter. My ask is exporters, and I would like to connect with you, Dr. Anshuman, for the railway thing, if I can connect there. If it is possible, I would like to connect for the railway to supply my food and food packets. So if we can do one-to-one, if possible, right? Thank you so much.
Good afternoon to everyone. I am located at sheet number 5. That's my lucky number. Abhishek Agarwal, Kanish Travels. We have so many people out there in the room, right from the astrologer to doctors to dietitians to architects. So I'm pretty sure that आप सबको कभी ना कभी अगर आपके ट्रैवल के लिए जरूरत पड़ती ही होगी, चाहे आप अपने हॉलिडेज के लिए जाएं या आपके बिजनेस के लिए भी मूवमेंट होता होगा. तो every travel requirement, सर आपके अगर रिसोर्ट पे आने के लिए भी किसी को कार चाहिए, so we can assist them with that also. So any requirement for the travel requirements is one point solution. आपको जिस तरीके से याद आता है आइसक्रीम तो कैसे क्वालिटी हो जाता है, तो ऐसे ट्रैवल्स के लिए कनिष्ठ ट्रैवल्स. थैंक यू.
So now we'll go over to the guest, Tejaswini Abhay Gaikwad, referred by Ujala Kurukshetra.
Hi everyone, good afternoon. तेजस्विनी गायकवाड़ थाना से हूँ. स्टे फाइन मल्टीवेंचर प्राइवेट लिमिटेड से आए हैं. हम लोग अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम करते हैं, जैसे कि लेडीज का बहुत एक प्रोडक्ट है जो सैनिटरी पैड है. अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम करके हम लोग महिलाओं को, जैसे मोदी जी ने बोला है प्लास्टिक मुक्त भारत, तो हम लोग प्लास्टिक मुक्त भारत, रोजगार मुक्त भारत और कैंसर मुक्त महिला, ये अभियान 3 अभियान पे काम करते हैं. तो हम लोग का सैनिटरी पैड है जो इज एंड थ्रो यूज करके डस्टबिन में फेंकते हैं तो उसका मिट्टी हो जाता है. मतलब पर्यावरण के भी हानिकारक नहीं है, हम लोग को लेडीज के लिए भी हानिकारक नहीं. तो वो प्रोडक्ट के ऊपर हम लोग काम करते हैं.
Guests will get 30 seconds. Yeah, the guests
Hi
will get
everyone.
30 seconds.
गुड आफ्टरनून. मेरा नाम जिग्ना विंडे, मैं मुलुंड से हूँ. साथ में हम लोग ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट्स पैराबिन फ्री है हम लोग का, जिसको स्किन का प्रॉब्लम से, तो हम लोग के प्रोडक्ट से हम लोग को रिजल्ट मिल रहा है. जैसे एलोवेरा जूस भी है, नारी प्रोडक्ट्स, वो बहुत सारे हम लोग के हेल्थ प्रोडक्ट्स भी. थैंक यू सो मच.
Romalin Yadav, Nishita Bihani.
Good afternoon to one and all present here. I am Nishita Bihani, working with the Dhanvantari of a mission Sampanna Bharat Swasth Bharat. There is a saying that भगवान तुम भी कमाल करते हो, आंखें ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट तेरी है और ख्वाब रंगीन दिखाते हो, लेकिन रंगीन ख्वाब देखने के लिए अच्छी नींद जरूरी है और अच्छी नींद के लिए अच्छा स्वास्थ्य जरूरी है. और अगर अच्छा स्वास्थ्य चाहिए तो हमारे पास आइए. थैंक यू.
Anita Bihani. Santosh Jha. Already Xavier.
Hello everyone, my name is Khaled and I am from Namaste Health. Namaste Health is an instant medical health support, and this will help you in overall 360-degree services like ambulances or any issues like your CPR you require, or you have some issues like vein stroke or any other issue of your health. Secondly, this is one of the best service that we have came up, and Mr. will be supporting us, and there are so many calls we are receiving, ties with hospitals, nursing homes, multiple corporates are available here. So we are growing up in this business, so we like you to be our channel partner, and we can do each other and support patients or services. Thank you.
Ina Shah.
Good afternoon, everyone, and a happy new year. Yeah, I'm Tina Shah. I'm also introducing Dhanvantri only. I'm the live example, and I will vouch for the medicine because I have started to reduce my medications for thyroid. Even my brother-in-law, he is suffering from gangrene, and he has got a lot of benefit out of his this thing, and they are guaranteeing that they will eradicate gangrene from out of his body. Similarly, from minor to major disease are being eradicated by these medications, and I truly vouch and support Dhanvantri, and I would like to tell people to go ahead and join us and just get introduction to this herbal medicine. Thank you so much.
Hello, good afternoon, happy new year to everyone. Myself Manoj Mehta, founder and CEO of Apex Solutions. We are into website development services. So we develop any sort of website, right from a static to a CMS to e-commerce or maybe a customized website, which is applicable to a small business to a corporate level company. And we cater multiple business verticals like manufacturing, healthcare, pharmaceuticals, engineering, finance, travel, and a lot of other verticals we already cater. And I'm associated with IBP since 2020, and I'll be moving forward to becoming a premium member soon. Thanks, Subrata. Thank you.
So now we go over to the LT team. Chaitali Bhattacharya.
Namaste everyone. My name is Chaitali Bhattacharya and I'm a pranic healer. I heal people, places, businesses, finances, also pets, animals. So anything that you want to help someone with healing, do get in touch with me. 24/7, I am available as a healer to heal people and help them. Thank you.
Ratnakar Chaudhary he already gave, I guess, in the introduction. And Malad Hina.
Hello everyone. I won't say Happy New Year because everybody is, Hello everyone. I won't say Happy New Year because as it is all of us have wished each other, yeah? And it's getting too boring now. The New Year's have passed. It's the 3rd of Jan. So this is Dr. Malahat Hina Khan. I am a homeopath and of late I just started off with manufacturing of organic skin and hair products. My USP is that all my ingredients, they come from abroad and I'm not a reseller. Let me just put that across to all of you all. I'm not a reseller, I'm a doctor. So with my medicines, I give my products and they really work wonders. So thank you so much. If anybody has any problems regarding skin and hair, can get back to me. Yeah, thank you. 1-to-1. 1-to-1.
Good afternoon, Good afternoon, IBP. I'm Amit from Ascent. My category is diamond and gold jewelry manufacturing. We are based in Zaveri Bazaar and into this field since 1975. We are vendors of TPZ since 7 years. Our USP is we are specialists in customized jewelry. We expertise in Marwadi, Bokru, Pichodis, Veni Gajra, Chandanar and Maharashtrian Kodas. We also introduced kitchen sets which are lightweight and pretty unique. Our success stories, we recently delivered gold bangles within 42 hours. My gift for today is Banali Sarkar, Vastu Expert, and my ask is Tanish Gold. Thank you.
So again, good morning.
Good morning.
Hi, I'm the CEO and founder of Nitro Elite, which now my company is getting converted into a private limited firm very soon. So this is the first achievement in the year of 2025. So by 23rd January, we might upload everything on the websites of it and it become the private limited firm. So So Nitro Edit is all about immigration. So people who wants to go to for study, they can approach us. They want to go for work, they can approach us. They can go for PR, also they can approach us. So this is all about Nitro Edit. In private limited firm, we are coming up with the other ventures also. So soon we will be launching them in this year and ahead. Hopefully this year gives the best for everything. और आपके आशीर्वाद आप अच्छा. So thank you so much. Signing off, Nikita Devia, CEO and founder. And my gift for the day is people who want the connection in real estate developer builders. I can connect to them. And for my ask is please connect me to the corporates, CEO of the corporates. Thank you.
Good afternoon, IVP friends. My serial number is 2. I'm Sonia Punjabi, insurance professional, owner of Health and Wealth Assured. India is said to be the diabetes capital of the world in this year, 2025. 66% of kidney failures happen due to BP and diabetes. 30% of Indians suffer from heart attack between age 40 to 50. And cancer is very common amongst women. Do you think a health cover of just 5 to 10 lakhs is sufficient to cover unforeseen medical expenses? You don't need to borrow money or go in for the crowdfunding if you are adequately insured and financially independent with health insurance. Connect with me for an audit of your health insurance. Life is unpredictable. I can also guide you for the best term plan in the industry. Are you looking for the guaranteed income every year starting from the next month itself that continues like a legacy for your children in your absence? So let's connect on a one-to-one to know more about insurance. I'm an insurance expert, Sonia Punjabi. Thank you. So members, now you all got to know about each other, products, services. So please try to meet offline or online and do maximum number of face-to-face meetings with your fellow members.